Today's project, resurfacing basement walls in Jenkintown, Pennsylvania. Stay to the end to see how we transform this dusty, peeling basement.
And obviously all this stuff that's not dry, I clear out and everything.
Oh yeah, that's all right.
Job, so.
Okay, so you just want to freshen it up,
Yeah.
right? Now, are you trying to paint the walls or anything?
Um.
Because we gotta give you a separate price for spraying them.
Yeah. So I was gonna say. So I guess maybe that would be. Then I would do paint as well.
Okay.
All I'm really gonna do down here is a weight room and like storage. So
Yep.
I'm not gonna finish or anything.
I got
so
you.
That's what I was saying when I saw.
But you
our
wanna
video,
freshen it
like,
up.
That's exactly what
Okay.
I want to just kind of. You guys do the floor.
That's absolutely.
Well, just give it a
Yeah. So what we do with the floor is this: we could just do an overlay, right?
Yeah. Nothing. Yeah,
Just do an
it's
overlay.
gonna be weight. Okay.
And it'll look like a brand new floor.
Okay. I mean, I've lived here about 7 years, and like I never come down here.
Yep.
So I just thought, you know what, let me start trying to.
Yeah, and
get
enjoy
at
the
least-
space.
Yeah, at least so it's not like dirty and. Like,
Sure. I mean, it's a large space,
Yeah.
biggest space in the house.
As you can clearly see, these basement walls are layered with dust, the paint is peeling in large patches, and the overall appearance is unsightly. Cracks and discoloration add to the neglected look, giving the basement an unwelcoming feel. When this job is complete, this basement will be transformed from dusty, cracked, and uninviting to a bright, comfortable space where the homeowner can enjoy his exercise equipment. Prepping the walls is key to making this job last. If we don't remove dust, peeling paint, and loose debris, the cement won't stick the way it should. That can cause cracks and weak spots later on, and we don't want that. After cleaning and preparing the walls, we apply bonding glue at 100% full strength to every surface, using a 1-inch nap roller. This creates a strong chemical bond for the cement, preventing cracks and ensuring it sticks firmly. Dependable uses state-of-the-art equipment to get the job done efficiently. While most companies still rely on hand troweling cement, our mortar spraying technique covers large areas fast and seals tight spots with ease. The result? A quicker turnaround and a stronger seal, making our process clearly superior. Unlike many contractors who simply promise to fill every gap and crack, Dependable Concrete has the equipment to get it done right. Our process seals even the toughest holes, including the gaps between floor joists, a common entry point for rodents and insects. With our method, you can be confident your basement is fully protected. Dependable Concrete is committed to delivering results that last for years. We stand firmly behind our work and take pride in ensuring every customer enjoys a basement they can trust and be satisfied with well into the future. Dependable Concrete also specializes in waterproofing basements. Check out our waterproofing videos here on the channel. Our mortar mix is built strong: 3 buckets of sand, 1 70-pound bag of cement, and a 1/4 pound of fiber. This formula creates durable basement walls that won't crack over time. If the mix ratio is off, too much cement or too much sand, the result is weakened bonding, cracking, or premature failure of the walls. It's time to resurface this floor. Right now, it's full of holes, cracks, and uneven spots. But first, we need to prep it, scraping off loose material and vacuuming the dust so the cement bonds properly. After prepping the floor, we roll on glue to bond the self-leveling cement to the concrete. This step is essential for creating a strong, long-lasting floor. Next, we spread self-leveling cement across the entire floor over the tacky glue, making sure there's even coverage throughout the floor. The goal is to make this floor look like brand new concrete at a fraction of the cost. If you've enjoyed watching this basement transformation, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you want to see more. And don't forget to subscribe to Dependable Concrete. We share real basement makeovers, step-by-step processes, and tips to keep your home safe and dry. Every project is different, and by subscribing, you won't miss the next transformation. So go ahead, click like, hit subscribe, and join us as we turn more dusty, damp basements into clean, usable spaces across Philadelphia.